Hi everyone on YouTube, it's Amanda again and we're at Shoes of Hollywood in Strathpine, Brisbane, and we're doing a review on these beautiful Allure shoes from Pleaser. So these are a 5.5 inch, they're Allure-609 if you wanted the detailed number. Pleaser always has an amazing little travel bag. Pop your shoes in so they don't get damaged at all. There's a piece of foam which separates the shoes so they don't get scratched if you're traveling or staying somewhere overnight. Alright, the exciting part, here's the shoes guys. Each individually packaged because Pleaser really care about their product and they want you to receive it in the best quality possible. Ta-da! So they're in black, and then we've got this metal look on the side of the heel, wrapped around with some jewels at the top. They're very, very gorgeous. I love the diamantes, nice and sparkly. And then it's got a wedge at the front so you can stand in these all night, and then an adjustable strap around the ankle. So I'm doing a size 7 today guys. That's my normal size, 7 to a 7.5, and they're pretty true to size, these ones. So this is also a signature Pleaser detail. They've got the logo in a gold print on the sole of the shoe, and then this beautiful plush velvet, which as you can see is quite squishy, and over time your feet will fit into that and mold around it, so you can really be comfortable in these shoes all night long or all day depending on where you want to wear them. So we'll just put the clasp on. There's one shoe. So this is the Allure-609 guys from Pleaser, just if you wanted to know again, at Shoes of Hollywood. And it's in a 5.5 inch heel. So I know we normally do higher ones, but I really like this style because if you're a bit of a taller person, it can make you feel like you're not giant and towering over everyone. So this can be a shoe for the taller girls or just anyone who likes something a little bit smaller. So we're going to do a walk in them. They are very easy to walk in. So pretty simple. Not having any troubles with these. And I love adjustable straps around the ankle. They really make you feel very supported. And again, we are in Shoes of Hollywood, so if you're in the Brisbane area, guys, come and check out their shoes. I think there's about 150 different shoes here. There are so many, and they're all amazing. Boots, heels, you name it, they have it. And in every color and glitter. So there's everything for anyone. And then I'll give you a side look, guys. The metal and the diamonds really stand out, so they make it just a little bit different, so they're not that boring plain black heel. And now we're going to go outside and have a look what they look like in the sunshine so you can see the light. They are a black shiny sort of fake leather look, so they're vegan friendly. Every part of the shoe is vegan friendly. It is such a nice day out here. I think it's probably 26 to 7 degrees, and those diamonds just really sparkle in the sunlight. And that metal, it's basically like a mirror. So we'll do a little bit of a walk. And always Pleaser has an amazing bit at the front that gives you that extra grip, so you're not going to be slipping and sliding. You can feel really sturdy in them all day or all night. I can show you guys what the grip looks like on the bottom. So as you can see, both of them are very grippy. It makes it super comfortable, so you're always going to feel secure in these gorgeous little shoes. Whoop. Alright, let's walk back inside. And as you guys know, you've always got to click like and subscribe to the Shoes of Hollywood channel so that you never miss a video and you're always notified when we put something new up. So click on the bell up the top left hand corner and then you'll never miss a thing. And let me know if you're enjoying this video because I love coming back here and doing reviews for you guys. So let's head back inside. It is extremely hot out here and I'm beginning to get a little flustered. Let me know what you think about these shoes. Again, they're the Allure-609 from Pleaser, 5.5-inch heel with an adjustable strap on the side, velvet squishy sole. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.